Tired of hunting through old statements just to find your Bank of America account and routing number? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to find those vital numbers right in your Bank of America app, making those direct deposits and electronic payments a breeze. Let's get started. First, open your Bank of America mobile app and log in using your credentials. This could be your fingerprint, Face ID, or your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll typically land on your account summary screen. Now, tap on the account you need the routing and account number for. This will bring you to the account details page. Scroll down until you see the information and services section. This might also be labeled as account information. Tap on it. Within the information and services section, look for account details. Tap on account details. And there you have it. Your account number and routing number are now displayed on the screen. You might see a full account number and a shortened version. Either one should work. Make sure you use the correct routing number based on the transaction type. Typically, you'll need the ABA routing number for electronic payments and direct deposits. You can copy these numbers directly to your clipboard to easily paste them where you need them. Just tap the copy icon next to each number. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found your account and routing numbers within the Bank of America app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.